Alrighty guys, we are here at Maur, Orland Square Mall here, Orland Park, Illinois. This is a KONE, and it is an MRL. So I'm gonna drop some popcorn. Then we're missing handmail too. One. Two. Yes, we're gonna. This actually replaced an original elevator. It used to be Carson's. Instead, what we have here is KONE. As you tell, it is a really nice elevator. Kind of odd they went with KONE in a single slide. It's kind of weird for Maur, actually. We'll go back with two. Okay, so it's 570. Here we two. They like literally got this elevator. I mean not the elevator, but they literally got this whole entire store when Maur moved in here. And it's so different. Does not even look like a Carson's. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.